Teacher Joe, J-O, Joe. Let's talk about the things around us, surroundings, trees, and plants. We will use the book, Nature Around Us. Let's talk about flowers. Flowers. Okay, let's turn to page 5. Let's read the instruction. Trace the dashed lines, color in the box with the colors of the flowers. Let's look at the flowers first. Let's name them. The first one, rose. Have you ever seen a rose within your surrounding? Its color red. Rose. Next, butterfly pea. Butterfly pea. Some people use the butterfly pea for drinking and making snacks. It's very useful. Its color, dark blue. Next, marigold. We can use it for decoration. Its color, yellow. Next, lotus. The lotus flower is a beautiful flower. Its color, pink. Flowers are very useful for us. We can use them for decoration, snacks, and we can use them to make our house beautiful and our surroundings. Next, we have to trace the lines and also color. Trace the lines first. Rose. Trace the straight line. The butterfly pea. Trace the zigzag line. Next, to marigold. Trace the hopping pattern or the curved line. Lotus. Trace the curved line in a wave pattern, downwards. Now, let's use color pencils to color. What's the color of rose? It's color red. Color the box red. Now, the butterfly pea. It's dark blue. Color it dark blue. Now, marigold. Color it yellow. Lotus. It's color pink. Color it pink. Very good. These are some examples of flowers. There are many more to learn. That's the end of our lesson for today. Yay! Good job! You finished our lesson for today. Talk about the topic with your friends and family. See you again next time. Bye-bye.